I am Akash Sinha. I've been teaching robotics at Shiv University for past 4 years as a professor of practice. So I'm going to talk about unmanned technology, or simply put, drones and driverless cars. So during the talk, we'll look at how unmanned technology during the pandemic, whether it's for medicine delivery or for food delivery, contactless delivery, and then also it's being used for sanitization of large areas via spraying. But apart from pandemic or beyond the pandemic, we'll also see how it's solving some of the greatest problems that are plaguing the world right now. So one of them is precision agriculture, other is factories and industries, doing a digital transformation for them, and then also defense and security. So you will see that in all these areas, the technology is going to bring a lot of transformative changes. Then we'll also look at building an autopilot, which is the heart of unmanned vehicles. So we look at how an autopilot is built, its basic working, and how you can build a simple autopilot powered drone on your own. And then we'll also look at career prospects in this area, whether you want to join a company in this area, or you want to start your own company, or you want to do research in this field. All three prospects are actually very exciting. There's a recent PwC report that says that unmanned technology is going to be worth $400 to $500 billion in next 4 to 5 years. So while some of the fields like software, the jobs might be slowing down, this is one area where you'll actually see jobs getting exponential growth. I'll also be joined by two fabulous students from Shiv Nadar School who have built their own robots and have won a lot of accolades nationally and internationally. So looking forward to this interaction. Keep safe.